Alright, this is part 2 of cleaning my LG 6500 BTU window unit. As you can see, it's just full of junk. This is used in a grooming room, small grooming room, about 100 square foot grooming room, so it gets really bad. I'm going to spray everything out. I'm going to try to spray through this way, and hopefully it'll just push all that crap off of there. I'll let some soap sit on there for about 10 minutes. Hey. Just a minute, I got a kink in the hose. Yeah, it's pushing it right off of there. That's good, alright. This thing will work twice as good now, I think. Phone wet here. Get all this crap out of here. But you get the point. When this is all hosed off, I'm going to just reassemble it, let it dry for a couple of hours, and then put it back in, turn it on. And that should do it. Do this probably every 2 or 3 years in normal use, but if it's in a dirty area, probably at least once a year, maybe twice a year. That's it. Bye.